Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to redirect traffic HTTPS on Hostinger. So first of all, go ahead and start a new plan, get a free domain, free website migration, and 24/7 customer support. And if you are on your journey to buy your first plan, please visit the link in the description box to get a discount. Now, what you're going to do if you want to basically redirect traffic, HTTPS will help you basically save data about the people who visited your website using the HTTPS, and you're gonna get more you're gonna get more traffic by enabling the HTTPS on Hostinger, right? So in the website section, find the site in question and then click to manage next to it. If you don't know where to start, or where to find the website, you're gonna be able to access your account, and from there you're gonna be able to basically have access to your website dashboard. And from there, just go ahead, click security, and then click SSL, right? In the SSL certificate, you're gonna see your domain, right? And then click the three dots next to it, right? And then click right here if you want to unforce the HTTPS, right? To revert back to HTTPS on the same SSL management page, choose force HTTPS, okay? And if you prefer to set the HTTP version as default, you can set up redirect from HTTPS to HTTP. All right, this is recommended for SEO, right? As having a single URL provides a better ranking result. So that's me in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.